You are born invisible, not in a nest, not in an egg protected by a parent, not in a place anyone would ever call home. You tear out of a microscopic shell and fall into a world so vast it may as well be another universe, a single drop of water. To something your size, it is an ocean. There is no mother, no guidance, no warning. You are already alone, and almost everything around you is bigger than your entire species combined. Your first moments are chaos. Currents you cannot see fling you like dust. Bacteria the size of mountains drift past like living planets. Fungal threads loom like forests. Shadows cross the light, and each one could end you. You don't swim, you are carried, pushed between grains of sand that look like boulders, crushed between plant cells that close like walls, dragged through films of moisture that stretch and snap around your body. You are not strong, you are not fast, you are simply durable. And that is the only reason you are alive. Your body is soft, transparent, barely organized, 8 tiny legs moving without grace, a mouth built not to bite, but to pierce, to suck, to steal, because in your world, nothing is hunted, everything is stolen from. You drift into a patch of moss. To something else it is green. To you it is a city, towers of cells, valleys of water, dark pockets where light never reaches, and life, so much life, algae, rotifers, other tardigrades, competitors, predators, food. You stab your mouth into a plant cell and begin to drink it from the inside. Chlorophyll, sugars, fluids. It is your first meal. It is also a risk, because the moment you attach to anything, you stop moving. And when you stop moving, you can be eaten. A rotifer passes close. Its spinning jaws churn the water. You curl, freeze, let go, drift. It misses you by less than the width of a bacterium. Congratulations, you have survived your first hour. Most won't. Many are torn apart by microorganisms that don't even know they are killing. Others are sucked dry by things even smaller than you. Some are crushed between shifting particles when water evaporates. Nature does not notice you. It erases you by accident. Days pass, you feed, you grow. Barely. You shed your skin again and again, your body splitting and rebuilding like a soft machine. You gain mass so small it can only be measured in whispers, but life does not get easier, it gets stranger. The water begins to vanish, the moss darkens, the drop shrinks, the world tightens around you, surfaces touch where there used to be space. Dryness is coming, and dryness is death. Your body reacts before your mind could ever understand. You pull inward, your legs retract, your shape collapses, water drains from your tissues, your metabolism shuts down, you twist into a form called a ton, a living corpse, no movement, no feeding, no breathing. Your chemistry changes, sugars replace water in your cells, proteins fold into protective shells, DNA locks itself away. You are not alive, you are not dead, you are paused. The drop disappears, the moss becomes dust, light burns your skin, heat fractures the air, radiation rains down, oxygen tears at molecules. It does not matter, because there is nothing left in you to damage. Days pass, then months, then years. You lie in dirt, on stone, on glass. You are blown by wind, carried on insect legs, washed into cracks, frozen, heated, drowned, exposed. At one point, you are lifted into the sky inside a droplet and fall again from a leaf. At another, you are trapped in ice. At another, baked on concrete. Time has no meaning here. You do not age, you do not dream, you simply persist. Until one day, water returns. A single touch, a thin film. It seeps into your body. Chemistry wakes. Membranes soften. Reactions restart. Your legs unfold, your mouth opens, your cells begin screaming with activity. You live again. But resurrection is not gentle. Your body is damaged. DNA fractured by radiation. Proteins twisted by heat. Membranes weakened by time, some tardigrades never wake. Others wake wrong, you move, slowly, stiffly. The world is different now, new bacteria dominate, new fungi stretch across surfaces. Old food is gone, new dangers fill its place. You stab again, drink again, steal again. Life continues, and it never becomes safe. A protozoan engulfs water around you. You are pulled inside a living stomach. Enzymes flood the space. Acids bloom. Your tongue reflex saves you. You dry yourself from the inside, collapse again, become indigestible. Eventually you are expelled, not eaten, but not unharmed. Part of your outer layers are gone. Your movements are weaker. Your feeding slower. Survival leaves scars even when you are microscopic. More cycles come, wet, dry, frozen, heated, crushed, rehydrated. Each time, fewer of your kind remain. Each time, your odds worsen. Reproduction is not romance. When conditions allow, you lay eggs, tiny, transparent, dozens, and then you leave them. There is no protection, no guarding, no care. They will either survive physics or they will not. Some hatch, most vanish, crushed between particles, digested by microbes, destroyed by dehydration before they can even curl. You never know, because your world has no memory. Years pass. You have survived extremes that would tear planets apart. Vacuum, radiation, temperatures that shatter cells. Humans will one day call you indestructible. They are wrong. You are not indestructible. You are fragile, with a pause button. And every pause breaks something inside you. One dry season, water does not return. The surface you lie on is exposed to light every day, heat every day, radiation every day. Your protective sugars crystallize, proteins fail, DNA fractures stack upon fractures. Your tongue holds, but the repairs that should happen after will never finish. When water finally arrives again, your body stirs. But systems restart out of sync. Cells misfire, membranes leak. Metabolism sputters. You twitch. You try to move. You cannot coordinate. Your legs curl and fail. Your mouth opens and closes against nothing. You are awake, but you are broken. Around you, other tardigrades revive, crawl, feed, reproduce. You drift, unable to anchor, unable to eat, unable to curl again when dryness returns. And when the moisture thins this time, there is no miracle. Your cells collapse, proteins unfold, membranes tear. There is no tongue, there is no pause, only chemistry, failing molecule by molecule. No predator eats you, no environment notices you. You simply stop. Your life ends exactly as it began, unseen, unprotected, unimportant to everything except the physics that shaped you. No legacy, no memory, no mark on the world. Just a microscopic existence measured in dehydration, damage, and accidental survival. So yeah, it sucks to be born as a tardigrade.